So today I'm going to show you how to add a rubric to your assignment that you create for your students to help you grade the specific assignment. So we're going to go into classwork. You can either create an assignment or you can attach a rubric later on to an assignment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my practice assignment. I'm going to view it. I want to edit my assignment. I am going to add a rubric. I'm going to create a rubric since it's a new one. I want to write the criterion title. So I'm going to say question number 1. Completion. So if you're grading based on showing work, just completing the problem, finishing this question, you can give that a certain amount of points. So I'm going to say completion is 1. I can do another where it says question number 2. And let's say I wanted to do this continuously for the rest of, there's only 8 problems. So we can do 1 point. If you go to the 3 dots for this criterion, you can duplicate it. So now instead of 2, it's going to be question number 3. But I have all this filled out if it's going to say the same. I'm going to duplicate it again. Just change this to question number 4. And then so on. And you can see the number of points increasing at the top. Question number 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm done. I can actually add more criteria if I wanted to, but we're good for this assignment. Use scoring, sort the number of points by descending or ascending. That's just how it is in this setup. I'm going to save it. And you will notice that on the side, on the right side of all the editing parts of the assignment, it's going to say rubric 8 criteria, 8 points. I'm going to save it. So each student will see their rubric when they open their assignment. So they'll see, oh, question 1, was it answered? It was. So you can click it, it starts adding the points, and it will tell you how much and automatically calculate how much that is out of the 50 or whatever number of points you assign the assignment. Let's say they finished 7. 1 through 7 they got right, but 8 they didn't get. So that's what they would have gotten out of the 50. And that's it.